Hello to all my dear little children. Welcome to another video with us at DP Kids to make a traditional origami creation. It's a carnation flower using a red piece of paper. We are going to fold it like this, but we'll need one color on one side, which is red. That's all that we need. Now fold it like this in a triangular shape as always. Then we have to open it up and fold it onto the other side. And then open it up and flip it over and fold it now in half so that you get a square. Again, on the opposite side, we are going to fold this. I know you all know how to make a flower using origami now, so follow through. And then we have to put them together like this. Then the red color goes inside. Remember that. The white color comes out. Now this middle line, this middle edge, you have to bring the corner flap. Fold the corner flap and do the same thing on the other side, but don't take the bottom flaps. Okay? Okay, open them up now. And then now I have taught you how to do this. So slowly open these up, these pockets up, bringing these edges to the middle like that. Right? And then turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Put your finger in and push it down so that you get a triangular shape. Then we are going to do the same thing on the other side. The corner, the edge comes to the middle. The other edge also comes to the middle. Open it up, then slowly opening it, we push in the finger so that this triangle comes to the middle. And then fold it back and doing the same thing on the other side. Now we have to press it down very well for a neat flower. Then take a pair of scissors. Then slowly cut it in a way that you get a circle, a semicircle on top. Or there is another way. For a carnation flower, we need a little jagged line on its petals. So we can draw it like that. Not just a very circular petal, but it's slightly jagged as well. So you might already have a scissor that helps you with cutting it like that, but even a normal scissor would do. Right. Now we have to hold this part and bring it down, like to half the amount. So bring it down and fold it like this. Open it up. Slowly open it up and see what it looks like. See whether all the pieces are there, and then there's another part like this. So we have to open it up. Just check. Check how it looks. Now see, there's a little triangular piece here. Like two lines here. Now we have it on both sides. So we have to bring it down like this. This little triangular piece. Bring it down and push it in. Push it from the two sides. So two petals come together by doing it. Push it down and bring two petals together. So it's on lines like these you will find on all four sides. So 2 petals come together. Open it up, then push it down while pressing the 2 petals together. And the last part. We are going to fold it a bit like that. Then we have to bring the 2 petals together. Now we have folded everything we need. So slowly open up the petals and see what you have. You can press down a bit. You can press down the petals that are close together. See how pretty it looks? This is our carnation flower. Now we can also get our friends to come together and make flowers like this. We'll watch in another video how to decorate these flowers and make a flower vase in the future. So you have to stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Stay with us. See you soon.